Quick Connect series. The Quick Connect series is a compact, high-density circular connector series, ideal for harsh environments where space is at a premium. They are constructed of high-temperature and corrosion-resistant ultum and offer several mounting options. Arrangements are available with 2, 7, and 12 cavities and utilize size 16, 20, and 22 contacts. Optional wire-sealed grommets are required in order to maintain an environmental seal. Quick Connect insertion. Begin with a crimped wire. For assistance, refer to the Quick Connect crimping and stripping section of the DEUTSCH Context video segment for detailed instructions. Refer to your wiring diagram to know which wire to insert into each cavity. Using the correct size plastic insertion tool, snap the tool over the wire so it will slide down to the contact. Hold the connector with the rear grommet facing you. Using the plastic insertion tool, push the contact straight into the rear grommet until you hear and feel a click. Slide the plastic insertion tool out of the connector and remove it from the wire. A slight tug will confirm that the contact is properly locked into place. Repeat this process until all of the cavities are filled. Repeat the same process for the receptacle and the plug halves of the connectors. Make sure to insert the contacts into the rear grommet. Please note that if you have open cavities, they will need to be filled with appropriately sized sealing plugs. Quick Connect mating. All Quick Connect series connectors are designed to be mated and unmated by hand. When mating the Quick Connect series, grasp the connector by the body and align the plug and receptacle. Push the plug and receptacle together until you hear and feel a click. Quick Connect unmating. To unmate the Quick Connect series, depress the quick latch on the outside of the receptacle while pulling the plug and receptacle apart. Quick Connect contact removal. Hold the connector so that the rear grommet is facing you. Using the correct size plastic removal tool, snap the tool over the wire. Slide the tool along the wire into the cavity until it engages the contact and resistance is felt. Make sure you keep the tool straight and do not twist or angle the removal tool. Pull the contact and wire assembly out of the connector. If the contact does not release on the first attempt, pull the tool back out, turn it 1/4 turn, and reinsert it. Do not twist the tool with it in the cavity.